Okay, hello, welcome back to the Gin School Scotland. We are here again at the Drift Inn on the Isle of Arran, a fantastic place where I've spent many a happy hour on both sides of the bar. Today we're going to show you how to make a gin basil smash, which sounds a wee bit complicated, but it's actually really easy. It's also really impressive, and today we're going to use the wonderful Lussa gin to do that. Lussa is a fantastic gin from the Isle of Jura. That's our Lussa gin. So to make a gin basil smash, we are going to get our Boston shaker. We are going to take basil leaves. You can obviously get basil leaves these days in any decent supermarket. The recipe calls for 8 of those. 2, 3, 5, 6. Right, and I'll just stick in 1 for luck. I like mine quite basil-y, quite peppery. You can mess about with it and see which you like yourself. So we've got our basil leaves. To that we add 50 ml of lovely Lussa gin. If you haven't tried it before, do try your Lussa gin. Made at the north end of Jura. It's so remote. They handpick all the botanicals up there. We've also got a bramble gin, which is really nice too. And then we're going to add our sugar syrup. Sugar syrup, one of these things that you think, oh, where can I get that? Well, actually, you can get it in most supermarkets. If not, some decent off sales like Valhalla's Goat or the Good Spirits Company, something like that. Or you can make it yourself. It's 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. No bother. Good glug of that. And then we're going to take the juice of half a lemon. You can use fresh lemon. I've got a cracking device for squeezing it out, but you're welcome to use your hands. That's no problem at all. And there we go. That's it. Get all the juice out of that guy. Obviously, if you're in the house and you've got lemon juice in a bottle, use it. It's fine. All right. What we're going to do with that now is take our muddler. If you don't have a muddler in the house, some people won't if you haven't bought the proper kit, that's fine. Just use the back of a spoon. Just get right in there. Muddle it all up. It's lovely. You can smell the fresh basil, that's brilliant. Just pop that over there and get a rocks glass. Doesn't have to be a rocks glass. Any glass you like, but I prefer mine in a nice heavy bottomed rocks glass. We'll set that right there for when it's ready. Take the other half for Boston shaker. If you've got a cocktail kit and it's just one of these standard shakers, that's absolutely fine too, but we will double strain this. Double straining means we're going to take a regular strainer, which fits over the top of the Boston, and we're also going to take a fine strainer, which is just a tea strainer by another name. So I'll pop those just there for the time being. We're going to give this a right good shake up. Put it together. Make sure it's secure. I'll give it a wee test shake. It's not going to go over my shirt and my face. Nope, good. Separate them, just give it a wee tap on the side. Comes apart quite easy. Glass to rest. Take your strainer, pop over the top, like so. Over the fine strainer, and in it goes. And the reason we're double straining it, or fine straining it, is there's all those little bits of basil in there. And that's us. Now you'll notice I'm using loads and loads of ice. Now, working in a bar, people sometimes say, oh, don't give me so much ice. That's far too much ice. And they think you're maybe trying to do them out of the post mix or their mixer or whatever. It's not. It's so that the drink stays cold and the ice doesn't melt. Once the ice melts, that's going to dilute your cocktail. It's not going to taste as good. So just to garnish this, just get a nice little bit of basil. Pick the nicest looking one. That guy looks good. Just going to pop it in there like that. A couple of these straws. If you want to get really posh and fancy, because there's quite a lot of lemon in there, you could zest the lemon on the top of that. You could put a lemon slice in it if you wished. It's all good. Mess about with it. Do what you like. Use any gin you want. I love Lussa. It's up to you. Thanks very much.